For most property managers, maintenance can be a chaotic and reactive mess. But the truth is that maintenance doesn't break because of work order volume. It breaks because we're too late in intervening in issues. We don't have the right information and context to properly approach issues in the first place. And too many issues are treated like emergency escalations, causing burnout and over time hurting NOI. Truth is, volume isn't the problem, but timing and clarity are. The earlier a maintenance issue is clearly understood and handled, the more efficient your maintenance operation becomes, and the more 5-star resident reviews you'll get. This is why troubleshooting and diagnostics upfront matters. Early troubleshooting can resolve 23% of issues without ever having to create a work order. Imagine how efficient you'd be if your work order volume went down 23% overnight. On top of that, early diagnostics and troubleshooting can mitigate 48% of emergency issues. This reduces overtime, overnight callouts, and team burnout. And that means you retain technicians longer. And this is what sets Latchel apart. We have a multi-layered strategy to approaching troubleshooting that includes AI, plus real human experts, plus video troubleshooting, and custom workflows for alerting the right people for each of your properties. We use historical context, knowing what's happened in the building, in addition to property details, to optimize that troubleshooting approach. And this integrates seamlessly with your PMS, so residents and technicians do not have to change any of their processes. The result of this is that our customers see a 23% reduction in work order volume and a 48% reduction in emergencies. This saves overtime, it increases efficiency, meaning a calmer operation with fewer escalations, more predictable workflows without ever adding. If you're looking for a calmer maintenance operation with less escalations and more 5-star resident reviews, then let's talk. If you'd like to see how Latchel works in practice, just visit Latchel.com and click the book a demo button, or reply to any of the emails we've sent you. We'd be happy to walk you through it.